I'm on a beautiful walk in the woods, and I don't know if you can tell, but it's raining. Sounds like cars are not too far off in the distance. But the rain's about to pick up soon. There's this beautiful little clearing here. So I figured I would take this opportunity to turn on the spirit box real quick. Here we go. Recite the end. So with that being said, I guess the question is he wanting me to recite the end to all of you, or to recite the end to them? I'm going to have to put a little thought into that, because again, I see so many ways that everything goes. A true fortune teller knows that it's like a tree. Lots of branches that lead to many different avenues. Lots of roots that take in from many different directions. But the trunk, the base, well, that's still the same. But depending on which branch the water flows will mean something different. And if you take off one branch, there's still all those other avenues that everything can flow. And the future's kind of the same way. For if anyone tries to tell you it's ever cut and dry one direction, they're wrong. But as it sits, I'm still sitting, waiting. And at this rate, I mean, the only direction that's going, because there's no branches for anything to flow, it's the end of the line. And maybe I'm wrong for not wanting complete devastation. Maybe complete devastation is exactly what it should be. A complete blow up. My stomach turns with that. But if that's the way it goes, with no other branches for anything to flow, that's the direction we're looking at, a complete end. So with this in mind, the rain's picking up, and I'm going to put my phone back in my pocket. Have fun, y'all.